Bobby Johnson beat.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Tato on the barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. Wipe a nigga out like an outbreak. Wipe him out. Chopper start bustin', make the house shake. Fuck nigga sweeter than a pound cake. Your eyes on your chin, better watch what your mouth say. Watch it. Lean with the footballs, got a nigga trippin'. Fuck it, nigga keep sippin'. Dirty AK with the beam on it. Clip so long I can lean on it. Free my niggas lie behind bar. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Beat it. Pack tech down, run the valet marshal fault. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with the hoe. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Tato on the barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. 100 bands on your head, get the job done. Throw it up, nigga, where you from? Whole hood hot, cause your nigga hitting licks. Ain't made a meal yet, but it's still nigga rich. Stick 'em up, stick 'em up, stick 'em. How you want it, nigga? Full of the semi. Looking for the cash, searching for the bag. Young nigga wild, throwing up flags. Shooters on the roof with a scope. Money back gon' treat you like a pope. Work the blocks like the Kimbe in the post. Nigga hit it with the folk. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Tato on the barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. It's the niggas that you trust that'll probably turn fed. Hating on your heart cause you're rockin' Hermes. Especially if your money long, guarantee it turn heads. Red, tell it all, gotta watch the Sherm head. Hey, jealousy, that's a bitch nigga trait. These niggas snakes wanna know what you make. Grimy ass hoe, do you like the wrist tape? Young nigga running with the cannon. Never let a nigga see you panic. Yo, boys in the hood working with the Hispanics. On the phone with the plug, niggas speaking Spanish. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Tato on the barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson. OG Bobby Johnson.
Fuck him, nigga.
I'm a trap lord, I'm a OG Bobby Johnson. I'm about to hit some model bitches, let them lick up on the Johnson. I'm a slim a couple hoes, I'm a LeBron when I'm ballin'. She fucking love it, then leave it in the morning. I'm a trap lord, my PD hat got a thrown in it. Fucking bitches like with the man that might need me a porno flick. Bunch of industry bitches, I just give them a total lick. I'm shitting on these niggas, I might need me a total lick. I'm the motherfucking boss of this for rappers and cemeteries right in the coffin up in there. Bro, my Uncle Dan, he give you a load of it. Bucka, yeah, he give you a load of it. Potato on the hammer, make it go. Hit it with the blabber, make his ass sizzle. I'm sorry for your grandma, think she need a tissue. That's what happened when OG Son hit you.
I'm killing these niggas. You know I caught a body on the first one. Snoop, Pusha T, Q. I caught a body on the first one, so I had to dig these niggas back up and catch a body again. Why not? For nothing, nigga.
Y'all niggas say fuck with me,
On my V-Low soldiers, salute. The whole ASAP Mob, salute. Hungry Head, salute. My cousin Mitri, salute. Zaleski, salute, nigga. Y'all niggas don't wanna fuck with me, man. Y'all can't fuck with your boy.
King. Zero. Hey yo, word on the street is I black on the mall and go. If they ever get my back on the wall like my niggas on the corner, I should dash from the law. Cause I'm just like them, I got cracked by the bug, get it? I said cracked by the bar, got the game in the yoke. Got rap by the balls, got your dame in the yoke. Got a rap by my boss, tell a rap by my boss. It's a rap, I'm a boss, put her arm out. This is the mission to take the bread, shoot his leg off. Name like Mr. Potato Head, and you ain't seen a brother with his paint, peanut butter in the motherfucking guts, and the whip is potato bread. Hold up, jelly ass niggas don't approach me, homie. No, I keep that motherfucking toaster on me. If you lunch and I ain't even got get the casket, I bury your ass in a picnic basket. Shit. Fuck is you mean? We ducking them suckers, come fuck a true king. My bucket too clean. It's Gucci, I'm Gucci and Gucci. Just picked up a couple new things. Still got my chopper from the old block, dog. Talk about my business, get your nose chopped off. 26s on them bitches with the dough chopped off. In the Chevy, same color as the pro shop. Lord, I'm just chatting with my peers. If my rap was an app, I snap and disappear. King, I'm a sick cat. You say my photo shoot, well let me bridge this gap. It be a photo shoot, high snap and give you all headshots when I grip this Mac. I give one of these niggas they issue smack. I bit you, then tell you bitch you whack, and put so many motherfucking shots in your frame that the doctor had to pick stitch you back. King, you lame still breathing, y'all still doing shit with no shame, no reason. Here's a real nigga rule: no fame, no reach, and you don't own your own house, you can't claim no region. Watch what you bring over here, you checkers, I'm checked, that's kings over squares. Yeah, I see the same shit a giant see. Bunch of little motherfuckers acting like I ain't me. Oh, the irony, fuck niggas trying me. Better luck trying fuck Siamese. Porcupines told these niggas 40 times, lights out, 49 herbs, 49 birds. Nigga, where you come from? All the motherfuck, all of y'all, wall to wall, danger everywhere you go. This is what you call a wall, walking to the star, get a nigga chalk, trigger spark, shit get dark soon, lose a major part to him. Yeah, this an art form, just a form of art with my heart torn out. I embark on, rare to come by, hard to walk on. Fuck is y'all doing? Why the law's on? My paws, get my floss on. Floor seats on the same shit, my fucking Porsche on. Wood grain, get some good brain, fuck a Porsche. Need the whole thing, nigga, cause the half won't do. Front runners do shit niggas in the bag won't do. And the bag won't do for my bitch, it ain't a burger. Fuck your bitch, you done on a nigga corner. You ain't working out between us, you just lurking. You ain't working out the penis like you should. You deserve it, you ain't even out the hood. You just workers, you deserve it. When the nigga popping bottles, huh? Lot of whips, a lot of figures, a lot of models, huh? Lot of niggas model date shit after mine. Lot of niggas try to date a model shit after mine. Minding my business, make a motherfucker hurt you. Pour the weed and blow a motherfucker circle. That's the zero.
You're now listening to a Bobby Johnson beat.
What you smoking?